knowing the person's name or having the person's phone number. So you can just use an image to just search for someone social media account. It can be TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or Pinterest, or any other social media platform if the person already have an account. So first of all, what you have to do is to get this. So you have to get this over here. So you have to get this. If you don't have this, or if you don't know what's that, this is it. It's you just go to Google Play Store. So just tap on the Play Store app over here. Then after that, you search for Google Lens. So when you search for Google Lens, you have to tap on install to get it on your device. Then after that, you tap on open to get it. So when you tap on open, just tap on open. Then you wait. So as you can see, there's it. There's our result. And if you also tap over here, which is the lens over here, you tap on it, you're going to get the same result. So as you can see, this is it. It's the same result. So to get someone's social media handle or social media account, what you have to do is to make sure you have the person's you know image over here, or you can use you can just take the person's picture by just showing the camera to the person. Do you get me? Using your phone camera to search. So if you already have the picture of the person, what you have to do is just scroll and make sure you put this on search. Then after that, you just scroll and search for the one that you want to search his or her account. So I'll be using this lady over here. So she's my sister. So you just tap on it. Then after that, you're going to see it's loading, and after that it's going to search to give you the Instagram account. Then after that it's going to give you the TikTok account over here, and it's also going to give you Pinterest account. And as you can see, when you scroll, you're going to see the Facebook account of her. Yeah, Biaboko. So that is it. So it's very very simple and easy. So that is it. So that's how you can get someone's social media account without you knowing the person's name or having any details about the person, like you having the person's email, or you having the person's date of birth or something else. You just use the image. Just this image gave me these results. So this is the Instagram account. As you can see, Instagram. This is the TikTok account. This is TikTok. And this is Pinterest account. This is Facebook account. So if you want to chat or get in touch with a person on each any of these social media account, just have to tap on it over here, or just tap on it. Just tap on it. So let's say if you want to get in touch with a person on, let's say Facebook, you just have to tap on the Facebook over here. Or if TikTok, yeah, you have to tap on it, and it's going to open the TikTok app or its browser for you to get access or get in touch with a person. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this video has been helpful. It's very easy and simple. Please, if you find this video being helpful, please tap on the subscribe button to support this channel. Like the video, share the video with your friends. If you have any question, just let me know in my comment section, and I'm going to fix it for you. I'm going to help you out. It's very easy. So if you have the image already, I'm just walking through because I've seen that people have joined. So if you have the image and you want to get someone's, or you want to get a person's social media account, you have to go to Google Play Store. This is it. Just try to get this app. This is Google Lens. Google Lens, you can use it to do a lot of things. So you just download it or tap on install. After getting it on your device, you're going to see this results. So you can just take a picture of the person, then you use to search. You can also just scroll and make sure it's on search over here. So as you can see, you have search over here, so make sure it's on search. And after that, you just have to scroll down and search for the person's image. So when you find the person's image, then you tap on it, and what you have to do is to wait, and after some few minutes you're going to see the person's account over here. So just have a look. This is the Instagram account. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, share the video with your friends.